Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Essentially, we have made a strong case for the justiciability of Chapter 2 of the Constitution, because as far as the masses of our people are concerned, that is the most important aspect of the Constitution. And the rights guaranteed there are socio-economic: right to education, right to health, right to pension, right to minimum wage, and so on and so forth. And so, without making those rights justiciable, as far as we are concerned, Nigeria can really not have any peace. If young people in their millions have no jobs, it will be difficult to expect peace in such a country. And so that is the essence of our contribution, that we need to make Chapter 2 justiciable, so that if you are not given education, if you are denied access to health, you can go to court and challenge the government. That is the essence of our. Thank you.